Good afternoon, Recon here with Techout. Today I want to do a video on my 1 week with the Google Pixel 3a XL, and so far this device has been amazing. It is a little bit dirty on the back. I've been using this device for about a week now. I picked it up last week when it came out, and I'm loving it. The price is the price point is very good for what you get, and you get a lot for your money. Now, if you need a phone for a lot of multitasking and stuff like that, I would say this isn't the phone for you. I would still stick with a flagship device with a little more RAM and a little more processing power. But if you're just running a few apps here and there, watching some YouTube videos, text messaging, talking on the phone, just your basic stuff like that, then you do get a lot of good features with this phone, and I would say it is very well worth it. And you should definitely pick one up. The Pixel 3a XL retails for $479.99. where the Pixel 3a retails for $399.99. You can find these on special a lot at Best Buy and the Google Store, so if you take advantage of one of those sales, you are saving a lot of money, and you can get a good deal on one of these. So far, the phone has been performing great. It's very responsive, not much lag for the processor speed, the RAM, and the specs that you're getting on this mid-range device. The battery life is beyond amazing. If we head into battery here, you can see it's lasting me. It's been unplugged for a while. I haven't used it today. I've been using my iPhone because I just got a new car. Video on that coming soon, so I've been using CarPlay. But it's lasting me about 3 to 6 hours screen on time, and I still have about 30 to 40% at the end of the day. So battery life is amazing. I have battery saver set to turn on. Excuse me if you can hear my dog barking. Battery saver is set to turn on at 15%, and I have never hit battery saver in the week that I've been using it. And I've unplugged this thing at 5, 6 in the morning and gone till 9 or 10 o'clock at night. And like I said, I'll still have 20 to 30% of battery left after that. So the battery life on the Pixel 3a is amazing. The build quality is pretty good for what you get with the price. It is all plastic, but it still feels good in the hand. You have some glossy plastic over here, up here, and then you have your matte kind of signature Pixel style right here with your fingerprint sensor, or the Pixel imprint as they call it. Excuse the fingerprints on the back, they really do show under the light. But the screen's good, it's a good OLED panel, and to get a phone with an OLED panel at the $449 or $399 price point is definitely a win, seeing how if you pay $749 for the iPhone XR, you only get an LCD panel. You just get better colors and better brightness with something like this that I found, and the image quality is just a little bit higher. Now this is not a 4K or Quad HD or anything like that panel, but it still looks very good for what it is. Like I said, you're paying $399 or $479, so you're getting a really good deal for that value. If you want to check out the Pixel 3a XL, I will leave some links down in the description to where you can find the phone and some accessories for it. And as always, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and have a great day.